Kindness Crew, it's time to shine.
I'm LayLay. I'm ZiZa.
And together, we're the Kindness Crew.
Let's learn, dance, and be kind today.
Press beat, freeze pose beat, slow wave beat, slow spin beat, giggle wiggle beat, side wiggle sway, color step beat, rainbow arms beat. Press beat, freeze pose beat, slow wave beat, slow spin beat, giggle wiggle beat, side wiggle sway, color step beat, rainbow arms beat. Welcome to Kind Crew! Woohoo! Hi friends, it's me, GiGi. Today, something magical showed up in the Kindness Garden. Look at this! Each button does something different, but we won't know what until we press it. Are you ready to explore with us?
GiGi, can we press one?
Oh! Freeze dance mode. When the music stops, we freeze. It feels like we're moving through jelly. This is like swimming in pudding.
Tee-hee. Ha-ha.
Hey, hey.
This button makes everything EXTRA silly. LayLay, you are so silly. Yeah!
We're stretchy like noodles. Great job, everyone. Let's do one more stretch together. We're stretchy like noodles. We're bouncy, wiggly noodles.
It's a color dance. Purple makes everything feel extra fun.
Ping!
Huh?
We are the Kindness Crew. This button reminds us to show kindness with our words, our actions, and our hearts. It's time for a Magic Buttons dance-off. Each button gives us a new dance move. Let's see what we get. Nice freeze. Slow and smooth. Slow and smooth. Color dance time.
Wow! You did it!
That was the Magic Buttons dance-off.
Press beat again. Freeze pose beat again. Slow wave move again. Slow spin beat again.
Button, what will it do? Magic moves for me and you. Red, blue, yellow, green, the silly. Let's press the button to start the fun. Freeze. Now slow and graceful. Wave our arms like the rainbow bright. Friends, the Magic Buttons taught us something important. Just like choosing a button, we can choose our actions.
Choose kindness. Choose kindness. Choose kindness.
Kindness Crew, we had so much fun today. Remember, kindness makes you S-sign. Boop, boop, boop. Bye-bye. See you next time, Kindness Crew.